Hello Lego fans. Today we will be building a Lego Beyblade that can work two ways. Like this and like this. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is the base. So for the base we're going to need a 4x4. Now, obviously as you can see it's thin. A 1x4, 1x4. Two 1x2s, two 1x2s with a hinge. I think it's a hinge or a clip. I forgot what it's called. Next is this. It's a 2x2 brick, 2x2 circular brick, and this. I have no idea what it's called, but it's like it's shaped like this. Okay, so let's start building. So we got our base, so like that thing. Now we're gonna put on the parts. So there, we got it like this. Now we take each of these, the hinges, I think, I'm pretty sure. And then so it's like this, and we put the 2x2s on top, and 1x2s on top. And we take this, at the center, we put this on like this. And now we put this on. So now you can spin it. Next thing we're going to do is build the top of it. Okay, so we are going to need another 4x4, two 2x2s. We're going to put one over here and one exactly opposite. So now it will be like this. After that, flip back on top, we're gonna need a 2x2 with only one stud. Now we need a cone. This is a cone. Stick it over there. So this is gonna be the alternative tip. Now we need this. I have no idea what it's called. And then another one, like this. Okay, so now we're gonna need is four of these. So we're gonna put one over here. Sorry, I didn't show that view. Over here. Over here. Oopsies, no, wrong cord. Over here. Now we're gonna need another one of these. Put it over there. Put it over here. And then over here and here. Now, of course, so this is if you're gonna spin from the bottom, it'll go like this. If you're left-handed or something, you can alternate which side these face by like swapping them around. But yeah, okay. So now let's combine them. Okay, so you got back our two things. So you see this? Over here is where this is gonna go. So you take it, put it like this. And we are done. So now let's go test out both sides. So now we're gonna start the testing. First we're gonna do like this, and afterwards we're gonna do like this. So come on, let's start. So that was a fail. Okay, let me just try it on the table. That was actually pretty good for that kind of surface. We're gonna do this part. Let's get started.
Three, two, one, spin.
That was pretty good.
That was like
that. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. This is Salty Alien, signing out.